If you're planning to sell your house, you should know that the market has shifted from the buyer frenzy we saw a couple of years ago. As a result, it's important to take the right steps to make your home appealing to potential buyers. One of the most important things is to make sure your house is at its best. There are small projects that can quickly boost your home's curb appeal, in addition to bigger renovations. Just keep in mind, not all renovations have the same return on investment, or ROI. The graph shows the typical cost recovery for some common remodeling projects. Things like fixing or replacing a roof, a garage door, or hardwood floors generally have the best return on investment. But keep in mind, it all depends on local market trends. That's why it's so important for us to work together before you start on anything, so you know which updates have the biggest impact in our market. So if you want to make sure your house sells quickly and for the best price, let's chat. I'll help you figure out the renovations that make the most sense. Give me a call. I'm Carla Bello at Signature Choice Realty in Valdosta, Georgia. 229-379-7205. Give me a call. Thanks.